Most affordable homes are often fixer-uppers, and those are generally the best deals too. I found a great deal in Eastford, Connecticut. I think it's, yep, Eastford, Connecticut. It's a three-bedroom, one-bath house that's being sold for $100,000. It's listed for $100,000. It was built in 1792, and it says it needs some restoration or renovation, but you've come to the right place because at Ready for Remodel, we help you visualize what the house could look like. So this is what the kitchen looks like now, a little rugged. This is what it could look like with a farmhouse chic design. We have unlimited design options that you can play with here in our visualizer space. This is a French country design. You can design the house however you want it. Here's the front of the house, the way it looks now, and this is what it could look like with some nice landscaping and some work to the exterior of the house. So when you come to Ready for Remodel, you can take any address and put it into our Found a Fixer, and we'll pull up all the photos that the listing agent put up and all of the parameters. The second thing is figuring out what the repair cost is going to be. So if you want to put a new kitchen in, we've got three levels of quality. You can do a good quality kitchen, and this is specific to that house in that zip code. For a little over $32,000, you can put a better kitchen in for $46,000, or you can put in what we call the best for $65,000. And here's a detail of what good, better, and best is. So for a new kitchen and say some new paint on the interior, that total cost is going to be about $84,000 for the work and including the soft cost, which is contingency reserve in case there's any surprises that pop up. We build in an extra 10% contingency reserve and then some money for inspection fees. So the total acquisition cost, we scroll down here and we see that the sales price or the offer price being $100,000, the remodel estimate that we just created was $84,482. So the total cost is $184. You can put a down payment of 3.5% down and get an FHA renovation loan, and your loan amount is going to be $177. Total payment, not including mortgage insurance, is under $1,500. So you can buy a beautiful home, restore it the way you want on a large lot, a larger lot than you can get in most new home builders are building on small lots. So you get a large lot, you get mature trees, and you get a beautiful house, and you get money to fix it up the way you want. So buying fixer-uppers is really the affordable way to buy real estate. So go to readyforremodel.com, schedule an appointment. We'd be happy to talk to you online and help you get into your next home and create these fixer-uppers into dream homes. And let's help you beat out the fix and flip guys, and so you can create your dream home the way you want. I'm Skip Shanker, and we're ready for remodel.com.